I remember deciding I wanted to be a science entrepreneur when we won a chemistry emerging technology competition, but it was a long road to there. We decided it was the right time to start a company when the science readiness, the business plan, the money all came together at the same time. But what was really important on reflection is that I'd had the time to kind of become ready to lead the company myself. We're delivering sustainable chemistry solutions to the chemical sector. Oxford University Innovation helped us right from the very start with thinking about whether our results were ready for patenting or signposting us to really critical funding opportunities, all the way through to creating that startup company and obviously still work closely with us today. Spinout life is filled with one day talking to people from government, one day, being with your team in the lab. It's just really changeable, just fun. I think what's really exciting about motivating the team is that on my low days, their enthusiasm keeps me going.